Doesn't matter kung nasaan ka, basta nasa mundo ka, basta may internet ka, makikita nyo na siya. Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. So kayo ba, naghahanap kayo ng dashcam? And kayo ba, natatakot manakaw ang inyong kotse? Or safety ng inyong kotse? Ito na yung solution nyo. So this is a dashcam na meron siyang camera for the outside and meron din siyang camera for the inside. And maliban dyan, meron siyang GPS na function. Malalaman nyo yung car nyo kung nasaan 24/7. And also, what's so special about this dashcam compared to other dashcams, pwede nyo siya ma-view online. Kasi makikita mo yung live na kung nasaan yung kotse, kung saan siya nakatutok or anong ginawa ng kotse. So today, kakabit natin sa Montero na to. As I always say, wait till you see. Let's go! Right, na-install na natin ang ating dashcam. So, andito na siya. So, ayan. Na-install na natin and it's already online. So, pagbuksan natin ng app, makikita nyo. So, this is our pinpoint ng Tiger Garage. Nandito siya ngayon. And then, ito yung front cam. Ayun, Tiger Garage. And then, here is the interior cam. So, ayun, makikita nyo. Live yan. So, ayan. If you guys are interested in this item or this service or any other item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye! Yeah.